Today we will introduce the installation tutorial for reflow soldering machines. The first step is to locate the production line. After the production line machine is fixed in position, place the foot cup. After the foot cup is placed, start debugging the machine level. Place the level on the reflow track and check if the machine is leveled. Place it here and check if the machine is level. The reflow soldering machine should be well connected to the front and rear machines without any angles, and then the reflow soldering machine should be leveled. Adjust the machine level by the height of the foot cup. After the machine is horizontally debugged, we need to connect the power cord of the machine. This is a 380 volts power cord. Please operate it by an electrician or professional. RST is the line of fire. N is the zero line. Here is a ground interface terminal. This is the grounding wire. Don't connect the live and neutral wires wrong. These three wires are ST is the live wire, and N is the zero wire. If they are connected incorrectly, the machine will burn out. Be sure to connect the machine power cord to a professional electrician. This is 380 volts 50 Hz power cord, very dangerous, do not approach. Before connecting the 5 power cords, first turn off the main power cord and the main machine. After the power cord is connected, use a multimeter to measure the voltage. Check whether the voltage is correct. Now the machine is not powered on. We will start powering on to measure the voltage later. Now that the machine is powered on again, only electricians can operate the machine. Let's measure the voltage between R and S. Then we measure that the voltage of the two live wires R and S is 380 volts. Please check. The voltage between the two live wires R, S is 380 volts. We check whether the phase sequence between the firing wires is correct and do not touch the metal. You see, this is 380 volts measuring the R and S wires. 380 volts between R and S. T is also 380 volts. Between R and T is 380 volts. This is the line of fire. The voltage of the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volts. We need to check whether the voltage is correct. In the video, the main power supply of the machine is turned on, which is wrong. Before the machine connects the power cord, we need to turn off the main power switch. Be sure to turn off the main brakes first. Next, we need to connect the UPS power cord and the signal cable. This is the signal cable with the UPS plus and numbers on it. We need to connect it correctly. The UPS plus or minus is connected to the signal cable, and the same color is connected together. UPS is a signal line. Please check carefully if it is connected. This is the output line, and this is the output power supply. It's power off protection. It prohibits connection to this white plug. This must be noted that it is forbidden to plug it into the white socket. It is forbidden to connect to the white socket. Only connect to the black socket. Pay attention to this. This is for charging, and this is the plug to charge the UPS. Connect it here. This wire is the discharge wire. Discharge interface. This is the signal line. These two are also discharge ports. This is another dedicated port. Let's not connect the plug to this white socket. These power and signal cords must be properly connected. This +1 and -1 are the signal lines. This is the signal line between the reflow soldering and the front machine. If the reflow soldering needs to be connected to the machine signal lines in front, the +1 and -1 signal lines need to be connected. This signal line is 24 volts. Normally, the signal wiring of this reflow soldering request plate does not need to be connected. The signal cable does not need to be connected to the front-end unit. Next, we are the mainframe that connects the computer. To check the level of the machine, it is necessary to check the entrance, middle part, and exit position of the machine. Mainly check the entrance and exit locations. The middle part needs to be powered on before the level can be adjusted. This is the host computer. Please check the connection port. This monitor host is placed on the operation surface. The computer host is placed below the operation surface. You must connect according to the port location in the video. This U-shield must be connected. It cannot be used without this. This is a password dog. This is the network cable. This network cable is connected from the PLC. And this is the power cord. These are the monitor signal lines. The others are keyboard and mouse cables. Those two are power sockets. One is a monitor power cord, and the other is a computer host power cord. Next, we turn on the main power gate to send power to the machine. Open it up, which means that power has been sent to the machine. If there is a phase sequence error in the power cord connection, a red light is displayed here. If the red light is on, we need to swap the RST-live wires. Before adjusting the live wire, be sure to turn off the 380 volts power main gate. At this point we can start the machine. We press the start button. This is the start button of the machine. Turn the lifting button to the left and the machine's hinge cover will rise. The second lifting hinge cover. The third button is to debug the PCB track width. Place the level in the middle of reflow soldering and adjust the level of the left and right of reflow soldering. This way, you can check whether the heights of the two sides of the reflow soldering are consistent. Next we wait for the reflow hinge cover to open. Each person buys a different model of machine, and the structure varies somewhat. We wait for the machine hinge cover to automatically rise to the highest position. After the machine is turned on, we must place the safety support rod of the machine. This safety brace is to prevent the hinge cover from falling off, so be sure to use a safety brace. In the next video, we'll show you how to place a safety support bar.